Happy New Year, everyone! I hope that you had a fantastic New Year's Eve, and I hope you're having a beautiful New Year's Day. Now, in this video, I wanted to share with y'all some awesome savings on Gain. We've got some stacking deals. As you know, first of the month is always brand new P&G coupons, so I wanted to share them with you. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Just click subscribe, set that bell to all notifications so you don't miss a single upload. And if you enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and a comment so I can thank you for watching. And if you really enjoy it, maybe even hype it. Thanks, y'all. Okay, so let's get started with this $2 off one Crest toothpaste digital coupon. We can use this on the Crest Extra Whitening. It's actually Crest Plus Extra Whitening. These are $3.35, so after we save $2, we're going to pay $1.35. Here is the UPC for this in case you want to scan it and check if it's sold in your store. We've got $2 off one Old Spice Whole Body Deodorant Spray, Stick, or Cream. We can pick up the Old Spice Fiji Total Body Deodorant for $13. After we save $2, we will pay $11. Right, y'all, we've got $2 off one Old Spice Body Wash. Now, this is attaching to our larger size pump body wash that are $9. So after that $2 in savings, we're going to pay $7. Got $3 off one Old Spice 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner or styling product. We can pick up the thick and full shampoo and conditioner for $9.75. After we save $3, we will pay $6.75. We've got $5 off two Old Spice deodorant. Now, it does have some exclusions, but we can pick up two of the Old Spice Night Panther deodorant. It'll be $16. After we save that $5, we're going to pay $11. Forget about our P&G offer. On this account, I have spend $15 and you'll save $5 on your next Dollar General trip. So if we buy two of those Night Panther deodorant, it's $16, so we've hit that $15. So we're going to pay $11, and then we will earn that $5 off your next shopping trip of $501 or more. At $3.05 off one Dreft laundry detergent. Now, I remembered one of my subscribers has a grandbaby on the way. I just want to say congratulations, and this matchup is for you. We've got $10.50 Dreft, and after the $3.05 in savings, we will pay $7.45. We've got $1.75 off one Always liners. Now, we can pick up the Always liners, the Daily Extra Protect, for $5.50. We will pay just $3.75 after our coupon. We've got $2 off one Always Radiant Infinity Pocket or Pure Cotton Flex Foam Pads. So we can pick up the Always Pocket for $5.75. After we save that $2, we're going to pay $3.75. We've got $2 off one Always Ultra Thin Maxi Pad. Now we can pick up the Always Maxi Overnight Pads for $5.50. After we save $2, we will pay $3.50. We've got $2 off one Herbal Essences Big Pump Shampoo. Now we can pick up the Color Care Shampoo for $8. After we save $2, we are going to pay $6. We've got $1.55 off one Downy or Tide Rinse and Refresh. These are $6.95, so after we save that $1.55, we will pay $5.40. We've got $2 off any one Pantene dual pack. So these are $10, but after we save that $2, we're paying $8, which means we're paying $4 each. Hey y'all, we have got $1.55 off one Gain Flings. Now we can pick up the Gain Flings 14 count for $4.50. After we save that $1.55, we're just going to pay $2.95. This is a great way to get your laundry stockpile started for 2026. We've got a $1.50 off one Crest Pro Health mouthwash. We can pick up the Crest Pro Health for $5. After we save a $1.50, we're going to pay $3.50. We've got $2 off one Oral-B multi-pack manual toothbrush. We can pick up this 6-pack of Oral-B toothbrushes for $4. After we save that $2, we're going to pay $2. So here is the UPC for this 6-pack, just in case you want to check if it's in your store. Got this new coupon for $1.75 off Downy Gain or Dreft scent boosters, and we've got a $2 off Dollar General store coupon that attaches to lots of the P&G laundry items. So we can stack both of those together, pick up this Gain scent bead bottle for $9.95. After we save $3.75, we will pay $6.20. Or we can stack this $2 off Dollar General store coupon with this $2.05 manufacturer's coupon for Gain. So we could pick up a bag of the Gain Super Flings for $9.95. After $4.05 in stacking coupons comes off, we are going to pay $5.90. Got this $2.05 off Tide Power Pods, and this is a manufacturer's coupon. We can stack it with this Dollar General store coupon of $1 off Tide laundry detergent. Now, pick up the Tide Downy 9XL pods. They are $5.50, but after we get that $3.05 in stacking coupons to come off, we're just going to pay $2.45. Alrighty, y'all, the last one is we've got a $1.55 off one Bounce Gain or Downy dryer sheets. So let's pick up the Gain 105 count dryer sheets for $4.50. We are going to save that $1.55, and we will pay just $2.95 for our dryer sheets. Poor Duder Cat. He's just sitting in the window, begging for the birds to come eat the birdseed, but they're not here. He's so sad. Our roads are like snowed over and frozen and icy, so I will be in the house for the next couple days. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like being cold. Alrighty, y'all, I sure hope this helps you start to build your stockpile for 2026. I know mine is running pretty darn low, so I have got to get out there and start stocking up when we can get Tide for $2.45 and Gain for $2.95, because you just can't really beat it. Alright, y'all, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.